Tired of waiting days for your crypto deposits to clear? Want to get your cash into Gemini and start trading right away? The key is linking your bank account through the ACH process. Now, you might be thinking, what's ACH and why is it so special? ACH stands for Automated Clearing House, and it's the standard electronic network for financial transactions in the US. By using it, you can move money directly from your bank account to your Gemini account. It's fast, it's secure, and it's the best way to fund your account with a larger amount of cash. So, let's get into it. First things first, you need to be on the Gemini website or the mobile app. Look for your account settings or profile and find the payment methods section. Here, you'll see the option to add a new bank account. You'll be given two choices, link automatically or manually. The automatic option, powered by a service called Plaid, is by far the easiest. You'll just need to securely log in with your bank's online banking username and password. Plaid will do all the work in the background to connect your account. It's quick and you're good to go. If you can't or don't want to use Plaid, the manual method is still an option. You'll need to input your bank's routing number and your specific account number. Double-check those numbers, because any mistake will cause a delay. After you enter the information, Gemini will send a couple of very small deposits, usually just a few cents, to your bank account. You'll need to check your bank statement in a day or two and then go back to Gemini to verify the exact amounts. This confirms that you own the account and keeps everything secure. Once your bank account is linked and verified, you can initiate a deposit. Head over to the Transfer button, select Deposit into Gemini, and choose Bank, ACH, Transfer. Enter the amount you want to deposit, and you'll see that the funds become available for trading almost instantly, up to a certain limit. Just remember, while you can trade with the funds right away, the actual ACH transfer can take 4 to 5 business days to fully settle. Once it settles, you'll be able to withdraw those funds to your bank account or send crypto off the exchange. And there you have it. Linking your bank account to Gemini via the ACH process is simple, secure, and the most effective way to start trading without delay. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.